to understand life. You have to look at it from above. Bhutan is not just a place on the map. It is a reminder. Here, between the clouds and the rock, you realize that life is not a straight line we have to rush through. It is a circle. Like the seasons that change the color of these valleys. We too are cycles of beginnings and endings, of peaks and depths. And at the base of that circle, holding it all together, is love. But not the love we have been taught to hold on to, but the kind that lets go. You see it in the prayer wheels that never stop turning. A constant motion sending wishes of peace to the world, asking for nothing in return. Love here is compassion. It is understanding that we all share the same earth, the same sky, the same moment. We spend so much time remembering what we were, or chasing what we will be, that we forget where we are. Bhutan forces you to stop, to listen. The wind, in the flags, the water, in the river. The past is already smoke. The future is just mist in the mountains. Life, love, the entire circle, They only exist here, in this single fleeting breath. Because in the end, everything is an endless dance, and our only purpose is to learn to spin with it.